more lasting. To show the beauty of designs in a carpet, after weaving a few rows, the weaver cuts the extra naps with a pair of scissors. This is called scissoring or the initial cropping. Once the carpet is woven, the warp fringe is cut and the carpet is free from the loom. The off-the-loom carpets are washed to wash out the dust that has been collected during weaving and to make the colors milder and fast. After that, the owner can wash the carpet as many times as necessary. If necessary, carpets are dampened and hung by special timbers to straighten the edges. To level the naps which are left from scissoring, the final cropping is carried out. In the old times, this task was done by skillful experts using big pairs of scissors. Today, by using electric scissors in special workshops, this is done more easily and precisely. Thus, the famous Persian carpet, which is produced by taintless efforts, talents, and initiative of the innumerable artists of our country, reaches the market after a long and exciting journey to find its way into many living environments, bringing elegance and beauty. For years and years, the patterns and designs of Persian carpets have astonished their viewers. In the next program, we will discover the mystery in these patterns and designs. No art has yet reflected cultural variety or ethnic plurality to the extent carpet weaving has. Since carpet patterns have roots in ethnic cultures and geographical conditions, it won't be exaggerating to say that there are as many patterns as there are creative carpet designers. Most of these patterns are named after their place of origin, even though they may not be produced there any longer. Of all carpet patterns, the Iranian ones have their own special status. Imitation of Iranian designs by carpet exporting countries is a proof that they are beautiful and admired across the world. Circulation of designs and traveling of designers within the country has made these patterns vary greatly. Carpet experts believe that there are roughly 2,000 patterns. Some of them are the modified forms of an original pattern. The components of a design are the principal motif and border. The border, which holds the principal motif like a frame, consists of at least 3 parts. The main stripe, the size of which is determined by the size of the carpet and the density of designs in the background, and 2 narrow edges which decorate the main border and principal motif. Designs can be divided into 2 groups, rectilinear and curvilinear. The curvilinear designs, also called floral patterns, consist of curved lines, and the rectilinear designs consist of straight lines. Villagers and nomads have paid more attention to rectilinear designs because they are simple and don't need sketching beforehand. Floral patterns should be drawn on a checkered paper and worked on after dotting. In this program, we will discuss a few everlasting Iranian patterns. or mihrab. It has been said that altar is one of heaven's doors by which worshippers can face God and cry out their heart's desires. This pattern is obtained from mihrab, which is a place in the mosque where the prayer leader stands and is ornamented with pillars, chandeliers, and florals. The fish design, or mahi. The fish design, or harati, consists of diamond surrounded by 4 fish. The pattern is repeated all over the carpet. Some of these fish have become so abstract that their recognition is very difficult. The fish pattern is famous in Kurdistan, Azerbaijan, and the Central Province, especially in Farahan. Butte motif. This design has decorated the most precious carpets and other artistic works for thousands of years. The origin of butte has been the main subject of discussion among researchers, and each of them have commented differently on the matter. Some believe that butte is the flame and represents the holy fire of Zoroastrians' temples. Others have compared it with a cypress tree, bent by the wind. At any rate, whatever the history of the butte pattern may be, the fact is that this design is considered as a useful means